Hey guys, I'm Paris. So it is 3 a.m. and today I have something a little different but special. So what I saw is I saw this video and this girl did like something really cool. Like pink is my favorite color, don't get me wrong, but she did like this like ASMR like eating all purple like food and stuff like that, and I thought it'd be like pretty cool and neat. It's 3 a.m. so I don't know, like I mean this seems a little different, a little more safe than what I usually do, so hopefully this will be fine. But I got a bunch of good stuff for you guys, so I think I have like a really nice like spread out. So I got like this, which is, I'm not really sure what it is, and yes, it's the color purple. That's what I'm doing, by the way. Melona or something, like it's like purple yam or something. It's pretty cool. I don't know like if it's delicious or not. Hopefully it is. It looks really awesome. So I'm gonna try that. And I have like purple, like what is this, like cotton candy, so I'm gonna try that. And one of my favorite drinks, guys, it's still cold, it's really like amazing. It's like a blackberry like drink, kind of like the phone I think or something, I don't know, whatever. Anyway, this is one of my favorite like iced teas and it's purple. I got a few of them because sometimes I'm really thirsty, so you know, like I might drink 2 or whatever. I might not finish all of this, so that's okay if I do or don't. Like it doesn't really matter, I don't think, but I'm gonna do my best. And oh my god, I got this like lollipop. It's massive. Isn't this huge? Do you guys like this kind of candy? I haven't had candy in a while, so I think like I'm entitled to it besides Christmas time. Anyway, yeah. Oh, I got like these little like candy sugar pop thingies. I'm not really sure what they are, but I saw like this girl like had them too, so I'm gonna assume it's good, you know. It's really cool. I think it's all sugar. Like you can't go wrong with all sugar, right? I thought I heard something, but is it my imagination? I think it's just my imagination. Anyway, guys, I'm so excited to have this. Last time, I'm not sure if you remember, but I had like, for like my candy, like when I had purple candy watching a movie or something, I had like this candy and I love it. Like it's like some sort of like chocolate. It's really good, guys. But because I'm doing like purple, I think I'm gonna try and like eat a lot of this. Maybe, hopefully I don't get too sick, you know. What else I got here? Oh, right. This is crazy. So I tried to find like a purple like muffin or like a cupcake, but like I don't bake. So like that's something like my boyfriend usually does or whatever. So I got like this purple muffin and I think it's really cool because I think I heard there's like stuff in it. It's called like Fruit Explosion or something. I swear I'm hearing noises. Guys, I'm so scared. I'm doing this at 3 a.m. I mean, do not try this at home, guys, I guess, because like I'm doing this for you. So I have a bunch of like purple stuff and I think I have enough here. Just give me 1 second. Let me shove that over there. Guys, I'm hearing all these sounds. I think I'm hearing like chains and stuff. Okay, I'm really scared, guys. What is that sound? Oh my god. Is someone trying to break into like my house? Anyway, guys, I'm gonna get started. Look at all this good stuff. It looks so good, doesn't it? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with, what do I start with? I'm gonna start with the drinks. I'm really thirsty. I know people don't usually start with drinks and stuff, I think, but I don't really care. I guess I'm OCD, so I kind of like rubbed it off and like, I don't know, whatever. Anyway, I'm starting with the drink. It's so good. I think someone's knocking on my window. I'm so scared. Okay, I'm gonna try the candy. It was really good. Wow. This one does not taste good at all. I can't do this. I think I'll give this to my boyfriend. Ugh. Okay, guys, so far it's really nasty. Okay, let me try this one. Yum. Mm-hmm. Doing like a food video, like I can't even do one like at this time, you know. Oh my god, guys, do not do it. It's not worth it. This is crazy. Like, why did I do it? I should just be sleeping, right? Like, it's 3 in the morning and I just keep staying up and doing crazy things. But I thought this would be like innocent because like I saw somebody else too, like eating purple, you know, and I thought, okay, cool, I can do it too. Wrong, Paris, wrong. Guys, thanks for watching, guys. I am just gonna peace out, and oh my god, like, you know what, like, I'm just done. I'm over it. Like, this is crazy. I can't do this anymore. Maybe I'll just go to sleep and stay asleep when it's 3 a.m. That should be a video. Anyway, guys, Paristas out.